Hi everyone, welcome back to Cars Period, the place where car enthusiasts come together to explore the most exciting rides on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that redefines luxury and performance, an absolute masterpiece, the 2025 tuned F90 BMW M5. Not just any M5, but a finely tuned monster that pops, crackles, and delivers an adrenaline rush like no other. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews, test drives, and car experiences. Ready? Let's jump right in. So, let's start with the basics. The F90 BMW M5 is already an icon in the world of high-performance sedans, but the tuned version takes it to an entirely new level. This isn't your average M5, it's been upgraded to provide jaw-dropping power, an exhaust note that will make your heart race, and an aggressive stance that demands attention. Under the hood, this beauty packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Stock, this engine already churns out an impressive 617 horsepower in the competition trim, but with the custom tuning done on this particular model, we're looking at over 750 horsepower. That's right, a 750 horses ready to unleash chaos at a tap of the throttle. The torque, a staggering 850 Newton-meters, which means you're not just moving, you're rocketing. The acceleration is insane, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. It's not just a car, it's a missile. And let's not forget the exhaust. This tuned M5 features a custom exhaust system that not only boosts performance but also gives you those incredible pops and crackles. Every time you let off the throttle, it's like a symphony of aggression. Trust me, if you're driving this, heads will turn, and not just because of how it looks, but also because of how it sounds. Speaking of looks, let's talk about the exterior. The F90 M5 already has a commanding presence, but this one takes things up a notch with a custom body kit. You've got a more pronounced front splitter, side skirts, and a rear diffuser that scream performance. The car sits lower, thanks to upgraded suspension, giving it a more aggressive stance while improving handling. The 21-inch forged wheels are wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, ensuring you've got the grip to match the power. The color, a custom satin black finish with subtle red accents on the calipers and badging. It's sleek, menacing, and absolutely stunning. This is the kind of car that makes people stop and stare. And those carbon fiber touches, chef's kiss. The hood, mirror caps, and rear spoiler are all made from lightweight carbon fiber, reducing weight while adding to the car's sporty aesthetics. Now, let's step inside. The interior is where luxury meets performance. You're greeted by leather everywhere on the seats, dashboard, and even the door panels. The stitching matches the red accents on the exterior, creating a cohesive design theme. The seats are not just comfortable, they're supportive and hold you in place during spirited drives. Plus, they're ventilated and heated, so you've got comfort no matter the weather. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, providing a perfect grip for those high-speed cornering maneuvers. And the technology, top-notch. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display with iDrive 8, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Although, let's be honest, you probably won't use the sound system much because the exhaust note is all the music you'll need. The tuned suspension deserves its own shout-out. It's been recalibrated to handle the additional power while maintaining a comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a twisty road, this car feels planted and confident. The steering is sharp and precise, giving you that connected feel that BMW is known for. Let's talk performance on the road. This M5 is an absolute rocket. Floor the accelerator, and the power delivery is immediate and relentless. The gearbox, a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic, handles the shifts seamlessly. Whether you're in automatic mode or using the paddle shifters, the transitions are buttery smooth. And with the all-wheel drive system, you're getting optimal traction at all times. It's a car that makes you feel like a hero, even if you're just driving to get groceries. And those pops and crackles, let's not forget about them. Every time you shift gears or decelerate, you're rewarded with an orchestra of sound. It's addictive. You'll find yourself driving through tunnels just to hear it echo. The car's personality changes depending on the drive mode you select. In comfort, it's smooth and refined, perfect for long drives. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus, and it transforms into an animal, ready to tear up the tarmac. Now, let's talk about the cost. The base price for a 2025 BMW M5 competition starts at around $115,000. But this tuned version, with all the upgrades, custom tuning, and bespoke features, you're looking at a price tag north of $150,000. Is it worth it? Absolutely. You're getting a supercar-level performance in a package that's practical enough for everyday use. This is the ultimate sleeper car, a luxury sedan that can keep up with, and even outperform, some of the most exotic sports cars on the market. To sum it up, the tuned 2025 F90 BMW M5 is a masterpiece of engineering. It's a car that blends luxury, technology, and mind-blowing performance into one incredible package. Whether you're on a racetrack, a winding mountain road, or just cruising through the city, this car delivers an experience like no other. The pops and crackles, the raw power, the refined interior, it all comes together to create something truly special. If you're a fan of performance sedans or just love cars that can do it all, this tuned M5 deserves a spot on your wish list. And if you ever get the chance to drive one, do it. You won't regret it. That's it for today's video, everyone. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tuned M5. Would you spend over $150,000 on this beast? Or would you go for something else? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more epic car experiences. Thanks for watching Cars Period, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep the revs high and the roads long.